Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. This is Maxinjeri. Today we are going to showcase this 4-bedroom mansionette located here in Barnabas in Nakuru. Of course, this mansionette is on sale, so let's see what it has to offer. So guys, let's start with this lounge. You can see how spacious, and I love the neutral colors that has been used on the floor and also on the walls. You have this beautiful chandelier that is still ongoing. You can see that's the dining. Just from the living room, you go to the dining where we have a sink, and of course we have those natural lights that are we have the windows that allow natural light to get inside, so you don't have to worry about natural light for this particular house. So water is already on site, so water is available 24/7. And yeah, you can see this is the kitchen. The kitchen is also very spacious. I loved the cabinets. This person who built this house was very generous with space, and also I loved how the colors that were used on the wall. So the walls are white for the entire house, and also we have this double sink that is here. Yeah, so you can see how beautiful this house is, and also these are the cabinets. We have the upper and the lower storage in this particular kitchen, and you can see that is how it looks like. It's so beautiful. And then from the kitchen we have this particular pantry that is just here, that you can have you can store your extras from the kitchen. It's a bit also very spacious. It has the the upper storage, sorry. And yeah, I think that's enough for a pantry, right? So let me know in the comment section what you think about this house. Let me know whether it's a nay, or it's a, you know, just let me know what you think would have been done better. Let me know what you think. So from the kitchen we have this backyard here. So we have this garden here that has some spinach planted over it, and you can also see the neighborhood, which is also very beautiful. And apart from the garden, we also have another house next to it. So yeah, that's the kitchen, and then from the kitchen now the garden. So that's that's a kitchen from the side of the garden, and that's the lounge. You can see how spacious, guys, it is. So guys, let's head over to the bedrooms. We have one bedroom on the ground floor, so for anyone who cannot be able to go upstairs, one can spend on this particular bedroom. So we have this door, and you can see that the bedroom is really spacious. And then we have that light over there, and we have windows to allow natural light to this particular bedroom. We also have these wardrobes that are very neutral in color. I love the color of this particular bedroom. And then this bedroom is a master ensuite. So most of the bedrooms in this house are master ensuite, apart from one bedroom which shares the common washroom. So you can see this is the washroom, and yeah, the color is all white everywhere here. And you can see how spacious it is. So for the ones who will be using this particular bedroom, they'll use this one. So moving on to this side, as we head over to the other bedrooms on the upper floor. But before we do so, we have this particular space here where we have the common washrooms. We have the common washrooms. Remember, if they are visitor here, they don't need to go to the bedrooms, so they can use this common washroom. We have a bathroom and also a toilet. You can see very spacious, and both of them are separate. We have the toilet separately from the bathroom. So yeah, that's it about it. And now we'll So guys, we are going to take up the stairs and see the rest of the bedrooms. So remember, we have one bedroom on the lower side and 3 other bedrooms on the upper side. So these are the stairs. You can see they are not as steep. There's some other stairs which will really make if you're an elderly person to have some problems when going up. So I think they are not as steep, and also the tile that has been used here is still the white in color. So this is the first bedroom that we are going to tour. You can see pretty similar to the other bedroom, and you can see also the wardrobes. It has wardrobes, it has windows for natural light, and it's quite spacious. So you can see this one can accommodate comfortably a 6x6 bed or a 5x6 bed. That is a king size bed, and also it is a master ensuite, so it has a toilet. Yeah. So guys, let's see the washroom of this particular bedroom. So you can see we have a sink over there, and still they've used the neutral colors for the washroom. So we have the washroom and we have the toilet and the bathroom combined, sorry. So but it's very spacious. So yeah, that's it about this particular bedroom. So we also have this space, before I forget to show you guys. So you have this space that you can, I don't know, you can just make it productive, or you have a very beautiful view of the area, you can see. And also guys, you can see that the SQ house over there. So this house comes with that house, together with that house. So you can see this place was really raining, so you can see that it's not a bad place to invest in. So by the way guys, this house, stay tuned, because I'm going to tell you the numbers of how much this house is going for. So, and before we do so, let's head over to the third bedroom, which I told you is not a master ensuite. The rest of the other bedrooms are master ensuite, but this one is not a master ensuite. And yeah, that's it. So you can see, but it also connects to the other side of the view of this area. So you can see that door. That's why we have that black door there, so that you can be able to have that view of that particular place. So you can see even the doors that have been used here, quality doors, quality tiles, and finishing has been done in detail, you see. So guys, this is the other bedroom. You can also see all the washrooms have used the same tile, the same color, the same finishing. So yeah, it is just a simple house, but very elegant. So look at that guys, look at that. So yeah, you can see. So yeah, this one also has so we are going to head over to the master bedroom. Are you guys ready for the master bedroom, as I tell you how much this house is going for? So this so yeah guys, so this is the master bedroom. I don't even believe this is a master bedroom. The way it's so spacious, just look. It has a walk-in closet, you can see. It has a makeup place. Oh my goodness, this is just awesome. So it's also a master ensuite, and it's really very spacious. No matter what size of bed you might be having, it will fit in this particular bedroom. You can see, if you are a person who loves makeup, you are really considered in this house. You can see we have these wardrobes on this side that are quite spacious. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So yeah, this is the master bedroom, and also on this side we have those closets still. Look at that, and the elegance, the color. See the washroom of this particular bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, and you can see, or rather it's the, oh my goodness, look at that. It is very, very spacious, and even the, I love the sinks in this particular house. The mirrors are everywhere. Everywhere you go you just find a mirror, and I really love that. It really enhances the look of this particular house. Look at that, the details. Oh my goodness, it's awesome. Look at that. So yeah, guys, so this is the fourth bedroom, and as I was telling you, this house is on sale and it's going for 13 million. It's located in Nakuru, in a place called Barnabas, in an estate known as Royal Estate. So it's located in a place called Royal Estate in Barnabas. It's a quiet place that it's a rapid growing area with a lot of construction going on. You can see even the neighborhood, the houses that are being built on this area, and also it is a standalone house. Just in case you might be asking, it's a standalone house. That's the outward appearance of the house, and yeah, and this space is also on the side of the master bedroom. So yeah, it's going for 13 million. Just in case you're looking for somewhere to invest, especially on property, real estate, you can consider this one. You can call the number on your screen for more information. You can see that's the outer appearance of the house. It's very, very beautiful. So let me know what you think about this particular house. Do you love it? What would you love? What would you have wanted to be improved? Or just let me know in the comment section. So guys, thank you so much for watching till this far. I really appreciate your comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much, guys. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.